And the family that lives here, the Vasquez family, just got a call that Port Hueneme is actually under an evacuation order, but it is too late for this family. Joining me now live, Angie Vasquez and her 8-year-old daughter, Vianney. Your house is flooded.
Yes, completely flooded.
What happened? You were telling me you heard some kind of a noise around 2 o'clock this morning.
Yes, I did. I heard a loud noise around 2 o'clock, and I woke my husband up to go check on the kids. When he came out and checked on the kids, the water was barely coming in through the entrance. We didn't really think anything of it. I thought it was just gonna, like water coming in, and it was just going to create a little puddle there. So I started grabbing some towels to clean it up. And then within minutes, it started flooding completely. It went up to probably 1.5 feet.
And this is heartbreaking. If you've ever had water damage, like I was telling you I had, you know how difficult the road ahead will be. And I'm going to ask photographer Tony Butita to pan over to the kitchen table, and he's going to see all those beautiful Christmas presents. And your little girl, 8-year-old Vianney, she jumped into action. And what did she do?
She right away, she woke up and she ran to the Christmas tree, starting putting all the presents on the table.
I love it. You got to have your priorities, right? What did you think when you saw that water?
I thought it was scary. So.
It was scary, right? And then you thought, I need to save the presents? You know, you're a smart little girl. Santa would be very proud of you. Thank you for saving all the families. At least your Christmas presents have been saved. I'm so sorry that happened to you. And this is just one home. And as I was with Angie just a few minutes ago, she actually got a call that Port Hueneme is under an evacuation order. Her neighborhood, but that order came just a little bit too late.
Yes, too late. Yeah, they make the damage.
The damage is done. Now, this is just one of the homes. The city of Oxnard is also asking residents there to please stay off city streets. I can tell you, Oxnard and Port Hueneme, very dangerous driving conditions. People's garbage cans have been swept down the street. Cars are blacked out. Cars are spun out. Cars got stuck in the water. So if you can avoid driving this morning, please do. And our heart thoughts go out to you and the Vasquez, the entire Vasquez family here. Their entire home flooded, and they just remodeled it a couple of years ago. Reporting live in Port Hueneme, I'm Gigi Gracia. Back to you.
Just curious, Gigi, because she talked about a noise. Was this sort of like a flash flood type of a situation, or was there a drainage situation there when it caused urban flooding?
What do you think happened? Because our anchor noticed that you said you heard some kind of a noise. What do you think that noise was now in retrospect?
I'm not sure. I'm telling my husband the past few years it has rained like this and it's never happened. So I don't know. I thought maybe like it was a noise, maybe something broke and got the ocean water out. I'm not sure how this happened.
Yeah. Well, a lot will be investigated in this because this house is going to need a lot of repair. All these floors, if you've had water damage, you know what it entails. All these floors will have to be lifted up. The leather couch here. Take a look at how high the water got. Look at that. That is what? That's almost a foot of water. You can see this really. 2 months ago. And they just bought this 2 months ago. The family bought this 2 months ago. Okay, we're live in Port Hueneme. Yeah. We're going to bring you the latest on this winter storm hitting Ventura County hard. We'll send it back to you.
Yeah, I think with daylight, we'll get some answers also. Gigi, thank you.